Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl, Curly Girl Faith, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I will be revisiting a old favorite. Everybody in the natural hair community have tried this product. This is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Everybody is in love with this product, and today I'm going to figure out why. I have not used this, but I have had it in my product stash for a minute, so I thought it was about time that I cracked this bad boy open. Before we get in today's video, I need you guys to go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, also hit that notification bell. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get into this video. So you guys, if you don't know this by now, I do apply my leave-in in the shower, but for the purpose of this video, I want you guys to see how it applies in my hair. I have used this product before. I love it. It smells amazing. Just like the other Camille Rose products, this leave-in makes my hair feel so soft and the moisture lasts for days. My hair is freshly washed and I'm gonna go ahead and take all this off now. So I am back and I went ahead and sectioned off me a small piece for me to work with. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, make sure it is saturated. This is what the leave-in looks like. It smells so good. It smells like cake batter. Camille Rose, I don't know how y'all do it, but y'all did it. My hair is already detangled, but I'm gonna make sure I work this leave-in conditioner all the way in. So this is the consistency of the curl maker. It's really reminiscent of the Uncle Funky's Daughter and the Kinky Curly Not Today. I'm gonna start off with a small amount, and if I need more, I will add it. So far, so good. This feels very moisturizing. I feel like I will get a lot of definition on day one using this curl maker. It is nothing like a Wetline Extreme or Eco Styler Gel. It is not that. For everyone who is interested in the ingredients, I will make sure to leave it in the description box below if you guys are curious. For my wash and goes, I like to use the raking method. I don't know, I feel like it separates the curls and I could slightly detangle at the same time. For my wash and goes, I usually use the same technique, nothing special, nothing new. But if I do come across a different technique, I will make sure to inform you guys. And y'all, this curl maker is not that cheap, so best believe I won't be using that much. I like to try to wait for like the Sally sales or some type of sale, Black Friday, because this stuff is far from cheap. And I also hope this wash and go come out looking some type of good, because you guys hyped this bad boy all the way up. I mean, like all the way up. This is what this section is looking like. Very moisturized, shiny, and defined. Let's hope it stay that way. No shade, just, you know, being honest. You never know to the end. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed it up. I know you guys know what my wash and go look like. If you don't, check out my other videos. I'll get back to you guys when I have fully applied all of the products. Okay guys, I am back and this is what my hair is looking like. Very voluminous already. My hair might be bigger than I expected it to be, but that's fine. Who doesn't love volume? I do. My hair is soaking wet. I'm about to go sit under the dryer, speed up this process. Then I might air dry for a couple of minutes or whatever, but I'll let you guys know when I get back. As I was applying the Curl Love and the Curl Maker, they kind of was balling up on my hand and in my hair a little bit. Hopefully that goes away. That kind of scared me, so fingers crossed. Hopefully this is not a failed wash and go. I'll be back as soon as possible to show you guys my final results. Hey guys, so I am back and these are my final results. I'm in love. My hair feels so freaking soft. It is crazy. I kind of was scared at the beginning because the products was balling and I just didn't want another video with more freaking flakes. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, check out my previous video. I'll link it up and make it easier for you guys. I'm just blown away. Why did it take me this long to try this product? I'm glad I tried it out today for you guys. This is bomb. My hair is about 85-90% dry, but I want to make sure I get this video out for you guys. Whenever it is fully dry, I'll see if I can add some clips for you guys, but this is it. This is her. It did give me a decent amount of hold and my curls are literally popping and my hair is shiny. To the touch, my hair is like moisturized. Like, it doesn't make any sense. If you guys haven't tried the Curl Love Moisture Milk, what are you doing? Go ahead and get this or wait for a sale because you know, girl, this is kind of expensive. But yeah, go ahead, try this out. As for the Curl Maker, I'm gonna go ahead and say it right now. If you are looking for a gel similar to Wetline, Eco, Edge Booster, whatever it's called, you're not gonna get it with this gel. You're gonna get more volume on day one than a Wetline Extreme Gel where you'll get more volume throughout the week. Usually my wash and goes last up to 5 days, but I feel like this wash and go will last me about 4 days. Throughout the week, it is just gonna get bigger and bigger and I can't wait. I love volume. I don't have a problem with volume. The bigger, the better. Y'all, please comment down below. Have you guys tried these products? Do you guys like one more than the other? How did it work out for you? Let your girl know. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.